What's up, guys? So tonight we've got a bit of a mission to retrieve the GPS tracking module out of my old Ford Econovan work bus. Poor thing's died a tragic engine failure related kind of death, and she's getting decommissioned. It's going to be a storage shed for the time being, but we need to find the GPS module, which should be in here behind the radio somewhere. And yeah, we need to get it out. So there's a piggybacked wire there. I'll pull the radio out and we'll do some tracing. After all that effort, I found it. That's all it is. Tucked in behind the speedo up the top of the dash here. I ended up finding this wiring loom, which is where it was given away, in the back of the fuse box. And it ended up fire ending the unit. Let's plug it in and see if it still fires up. Nothing's lighting up on it. Another little plug there, but I never seem to find the ends of that. Yeah, that's all it was. I'll cut that harness off there for him. I can have that piece of shit back. That's all it is. That's how easy it is to protect your ride, guys. Not sure what they paid for that. I'm sure they pay a monthly subscription because it's got a SIM card in it. The other reason we're pulling them out is because they shut down the 2G network in Australia. Let's just quickly pop it open and have a look, see what's inside. There you go, that's what's inside. It's got a little LiPo as a backup. A LiPo pouch cell. Must be our GPS module there, 1575, and a little antenna. There's all our SIM card carriage underneath the LiPo. Maybe. Yeah, that's it. It's all our crazy. Yeah, tiny little module like that, guys, you can protect your rig. This one was good enough to not quite give you real time, but it'd tell the office where you were in the world, so they can look it up and see what you're up to, or where you were working. Pretty cheap solution, really. I wouldn't mind seeing what the new one looks like, but it's probably tucked well and truly into the back of the dash somewhere. I'm not doing that to get it out. Anyhow, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Something different, but GPS tracking module. Cheers.